everyone, welcome to the next episodes of Wisdom Bytes. In today's Wisdom Bytes, my topic is about cervical cancer, its causes, symptoms, and its prevention. So, before I move on into what is cervical cancer, let me give it statistical data. So, globally, it is the fourth leading cancer in women, and in India, it is the second most leading cancer in women after the breast cancer. So all of you might have got an idea that it is a cancer which is associated with women. Now, what is the cervical cancer? Cervical cancers are those cancerous cells which are growing, or the abnormal cells which are growing right in the cervix part of the uterus. We call this as the mouth part of the uterus. Also the birthing canal where it meets the vagina for the birthing purpose. Now, what are its causes? The main cause is the HPV virus. HPV virus is the human papilloma virus which causes this cervical cancer in women. There are around 100 strains of it, but it is found that around 10 to 20 strains of HPV virus are the ones which are causing this cervical cancer. And the mode of how they are getting transmitted is due to sexual contact. And also to those individuals who are having multiple sex partners where the risk is very much high. And now coming to the symptoms, the watery and the bloody vaginal discharge where the flow is very much high and where the smell it is very much smelly. And second symptom, it could be like pain during sex and pain during periods and after menopause. Then pain in the rectum region while pooping, diarrhea, fatigue, loss of weight, loss of appetite, pain in the abdominal region, swelling in the legs. So these are all the symptoms which can occur in case if the individual is having cervical cancer. Coming to its prevention, how you can prevent, one is to have pap smear screening test to detect whether the individual is having cervical cancer or not. One is that. And next is to have vaccination, that is HPV vaccination, which is already existing, which can prevent the occurring of cervical cancer. Like in elderly women, like maybe after the age of like even adolescent age, girls can get this vaccination in private sectors. I need to contact the gynecologist for further details. But between the age of 9 to 14 years, especially girls, now in India, in last year Indian budget, they have sanctioned free vaccination for this category, that is 9 to 14 years of age, in government hospitals, where they can get HPV vaccination, which is a good initiative from the government of India with respect to health in health sector. And also we get in private sector, but thing is the cost is very much high. So for common people, government sector is very much helpful. Then for beyond the age of 14 to remaining age, you can talk to a gynecologist for obtaining this vaccination. And now it is also recommended for boys as well as men that even they need to have HPV vaccination, since it is also, the study is done that it can also prevent prostate cancer with respect to males. Yes, I hope this video is found to be very much useful. Kindly share and subscribe and like the channel. Thank you very much.